Hello, teachers. So, if you are having trouble with collecting links from your students, I am going to kind of walk you through it. So, I have everything on our 3rd through 5th grade teachers Canvas course. So, if you're on the homepage here, if you would go down to student portfolio and blog information, and then you'll see a list of 3 different things. If you click on collecting links from students, and I've got a couple different things on this page for you. First thing is you're going to need to do is you need a copy of this Google form. So if you click on this link, it's going to force a copy. You're going to click make a copy. Okay, and now you have your own copy to this. You'll notice it's very simple. I literally have just created first name, last name for the students to put in, and they're going to paste their link for their portfolio here, and they're going to paste their link for their blog here. So you'll have both in the same Google spreadsheet. Okay. The way you will share it with your students is, if you've never done this before, is you're going to click send, and you want the link to this page. You can use the full length, or you can shorten the URL. It does not matter which one. You can click copy or Control C, and you're going to want to paste that link into whatever format you use. If you use Canvas for all your information with your students, then you can go in Canvas. If you use Google Classroom, you can post it there as well. Either way, you're going to post that link so that way they have access to this Google form to fill it out with you. Okay, so if you go back to your Canvas course, on that same page, you're going to see that I have a presentation here for collecting student links for your blog and portfolio. You can either click on the link here and it'll open it up, or if you want to use it within here, you can make it large as well. If you click on this, you'll see that it's literally going to walk you through what they're going to do on their website. So you can see where they're going to go and what they're going to click to be able to click and copy their link. Then they're going to go in the Google form and they're going to paste it where for the portfolio link. If you go ahead and go through that, after you've done that with them, you're going to have them go to their blog now. It is best probably if you have them open their blog and their portfolio in 2 different tabs before you tell them to go get the Google form. That tends to work a little bit better with students so they can follow directions. When they're on their blog, they're going to click the share button. They're going to open up this and they're going to change the share settings. If you didn't already change them, they're going to click on there and they're going to change them. They may have to click get shareable link. Most likely they won't have to. When they click on the little list here, they want can comment, which will allow your other students to comment on their blog. Then, after they've done that, they're going to copy this link. So if they click copy link, that'll copy the link to their blog for you. Then they can go back to their Google form and they can go ahead and paste that in where it says link for blog. After they've done that and they have put it in, you'll notice if anybody puts in something that is not a link or does not match a link, it will not allow them to submit. I've created it so that way it must be a link so that way they won't submit accidental information or incorrect information to you. After they've done that, then they can click submit. Okay, after you've collected all those links, you will have all of those responses in here. Okay, you're going to want to click the green button here to create the spreadsheet. And it's going to create a spreadsheet and it'll show all your responses in here. Obviously don't have any responses, but it's going to list their email address, their first name, their last name, and it's going to have a link for both their portfolio and their blog. This is the spreadsheet that you're going to want to share on either your Google site or your Weebly or on Canvas or Google Classroom, wherever it is that you want to house this so students can find it throughout the year to be able to look at each other's portfolios or blogs and go comment and so forth. That is where you're going to want to post that. If you have any questions on how to do that, please let me know. Otherwise, you're also going to need to make sure to share this link with me as well for this spreadsheet because I'm going to compile a master list of all of our students. And you are all set.